In this video, we are going to be looking at an ETC 3301 portfolio, and it is the same for 5301 as well. We are in a mock database using our student Brooke. So to access your portfolio, you will go to the portfolio side and then click the portfolio that you want to engage with. It should be a blue link. At the time, that portfolio is going to come up and it's going to be signature assignments, resume, philosophy statement, and competency 9 are going to be the tabs that you have across. To access any of those informations, what we're going to do is click on the tab that we want to add information. So for each of the signature assignment areas, we are going to be uploading documents and artifacts. We do this by clicking the select button next to the upload that we want to. And at this time, it is going to bring us to a section where we can upload information. And for our philosophy of education, we can go here and say we want to do our code of ethics form. We can double click on it, and it's like attaching a document to an email, and I know it is successful. I'm going to click the add button. At this time, you see that it has gone from a select button to a blue hyperlink. I can get back into that document. I can name it again. Click update and it will change. To complete your document, you will go through and click on all of the signature assignments and any of the other tabs that your professor asks you to. One important thing is always make sure that we save our portfolio, and if you do click submit, what will happen, I'll show you real quick. The portfolio will go from open for editing, and let's go back in. Yep, there's the code of ethics form. I'm going to hit submit, and if we submit this, we go from open to editing, and you see review in progress. At this time, I'm unable to add any more documents to here, the portfolio. So if you accidentally submit your portfolio, what we're going to do is click on this, and then we're going to recall that submission, and you can see now again it is open for editing, and we are able to resubmit that information. When you are totally finished with the portfolio, please make sure that you do submit it at that time.